Choosing the right crypto exchange can feel overwhelming. There are hundreds out there, all promising to be the best. But here's the thing, not all exchanges are created equal. Pick the wrong one, and you might face high fees, poor security, or even lose your funds. Today, we'll break down the key factors you should look for when choosing a crypto exchange, so you can trade with confidence. First up, and most importantly, security. When it comes to crypto, security is everything. Look for exchanges that use two-factor authentication, store the majority of user funds in cold wallets, and have a history of transparency and quick responses to past incidents. If an exchange doesn't make its security measures public, that's a red flag. Remember, you're trusting them with your money, so make sure they treat that responsibility seriously. Next, let's talk about fees. Some exchanges have low trading fees but hidden costs, like expensive withdrawal fees or poor exchange rates. Here's what you should compare. Number 1, trading fees. This refers to how much they charge per transaction. Number 2, spread. This is the difference between buy and sell prices. And number 3, deposit and withdrawal fees. This is important especially if you plan to cash out regularly. A transparent exchange will display all fees up front. There should be no surprises when you hit buy. And finally, consider regulation and compliance. Legit exchanges follow KYC or Know Your Customer and AML or anti-money laundering rules. While this means you'll have to verify your identity, it also means the platform is serious about protecting users and staying compliant with laws. This is especially important if you're looking for long-term reliability and peace of mind. So, if you're wondering which exchange checks all these boxes, meet Coinmama. Coinmama is non-custodial, meaning you control your crypto by receiving it directly into your wallet. We offer transparent pricing, a beginner-friendly platform, and top-tier security as a regulated financial entity. So, if you want a simple and trusted way to start your crypto journey, Coinmama is a great place to start. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and when you're ready to get started, visit our website at www.coinmama.com.